The entire world knows that the investigation has been objective, impartial, and also transparent. The ambassador has been informed the process involved, but he continues to be delusional and spew lies and accusations against our government. The ambassador must understand and realize the intent and the feelings of not only the government, but also the people of Malaysia. Yeah. Okay, thanks.
As the Deputy Inspector General of Royal Malaysia Police,